First one is Lubaba. How are you? I'm also. Last class we take a class on important words. And I told you to memorize all the words in your heart. Have you learned by heart? If you learn by heart all the words, today I will ask you the Bengali meaning, and next I will ask you to make a sentence using these words. Understand? Yes, sir. Okay, first one is Ekbar. 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 Dubar. Dubar. Tinbar. 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 Barbar. 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 Onekbar. 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 মাঝে 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 সব সময় সব সময় সব সময় সব সময় সর্বদা 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 Okay, fine. When you utter something, you must utter it loudly so that you can hear what things you are going to utter. If you try in this way, it will be very easy to memorize. Understand? Okay, now this time we are going to make a sentence using these words. Who will be the first to make a sentence? Who will be the first students to make a sentence? Can you understand? I want to know who will be the first students who make a sentence using these words. You. Okay. Fine. First, I understand you once. Ekbar. If I say, Abi Mashe Ekbar Vidyalaya Ashi, তাহলে হবে I come to school once a month. Understand? যদি বলি মাসে আমি একবার খেলি, I play once a month. Understand? In this way, I will ask you to make a sentence, and all of you must say in English. Okay? Okay, I would like to ask you to make a sentence using these words. First one is once. Meaning? Once meaning? Ekbar. আমি মাসে একবার ক্লাবে আসি.
I come to the club once a month.
Yes. আমি মাসে দুইবার বিদ্যালয়ে আসি.
I come to the club twice a month.
Yes. আমি তিনবার বাজারে যাই.
I go to the market twice.
Yes. আমি রোজ একবার গোসল করি. আমি রোজ একবার গোসল করি.
I take a shower once a day.
Yes. I take a bath once a day. আমি রোজ তিনবার খাবার খাই.
I eat
twice a day. আমি একবার রোজ ব্যায়াম করি. I take exercise once a day. আমি রোজ একবার পড়াশোনা করি.
I study once a day.
Once a day. আমি সপ্তাহে দুবার ঢাকা যাই.
I go to Dhaka
twice a week. Understand? In this way, all of you make a sentence. Okay, next one. Thank you.